I think it's the best idea you could possibly be because people like to know things.
For musicians, entertainers, artists, and other public figures with a lifetime of amazing stories and experiences to share, LiveActs, an intimate evening concept, is an ideal platform on which to share.
They said I had a wonderful time.
LiveAct developed our unique and intimate evening template to be an entertaining multimedia event combining onstage interviews with multimedia displays and even live music.
I think I'm growing. I got my own thing going. Leave me alone.
Our unique approach to sharing the life and legacy of famous individuals has been well received by both artists and audiences alike.
Doing this is the first time I've ever played where they have videos and stuff. I think it's great. I mean, all the people think it's great. You know, they've seen me play a million times, but they'd rather see me telling stories with the videos in the background.
Our production team has both the knowledge and expertise to create an entertaining and high-quality live event where fans are able to share in the experiences of famous individuals of all types.
But that was a big time.
If you feel that your work and your life's experiences are a good fit for our intimate evening concept, please get in touch with us. We'd love to create an intimate evening concept just for you.